guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an everyday makeup look. I am doing my everyday makeup look. Everybody's everyday makeup look is different, especially now that I'm a mom. Trust me, my makeup takes less than 15 minutes. So if you're a beginner, I suggest you watch this video, and also please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you stay notified each time I post a video, okay? Makeup is starting to get so expensive, guys, especially foundation. I don't mind. Oh, I think I did my hair a bit too tight. I don't mind really good foundation, but to be honest, it's really expensive. NARS used to be my go-to foundation. Like, it used to cost like $60 when we started using high-end makeup. NARS was our go-to makeup, but now NARS is like $70. I don't know about you, but that's a bit expensive just for foundation, to be honest. Is it $70 or $75 in Mecca? I really don't do much with my eyebrows because they're fuller and they're already perfect, I would say. You can never have a perfect eyebrows, but yeah, I don't take so much time on my eyebrows like a lot of people will. Like, this is me. I'm done. And they don't have to be perfect. Remember, your eyebrows don't need to look the same, okay? Are you guys looking forward to things going back to normal? Because they started opening shops, schools, just to started lifting up the restriction a little bit. To be honest, I'm still scared because we don't have a vaccine for her now. Corona is still out there. And people are just living their life like it's nothing, you know. I'm scared. Ooh, I stuffed up my eyebrows. But anyways, Corona is still out there, and you've got people just living their life like it's nothing. I don't blame them, because at some point, yeah, we have to move on, you know. I think they're perfect. I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Face Studio Primer. Ew! Look, it's a bit watery. I don't know why. Guys, I realized ever since I actually stopped putting makeup on, it's been almost 6 months, like I hardly put makeup on, my face has been behaving. I don't know if it's the makeup or it's just because I stopped using so much product on my face as my skincare routine in general. My face has been really good. Ooh, shiny. Like, I don't have much pimples. I don't have pimples at all. I don't remember the last time I actually break out, to be honest. Okay, I am going to try this foundation. They didn't have a tester. It's my first time using it, so we shall see. Guys, I am nervous to try this foundation on. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's a bit runny. I don't know. Let me just try a little bit on first and see. So far, I think it's my color, guys. Wow. Okay. Okay, alright, alright. I'm not even using the right brush. I can't find my foundation brush. Oh, oh wow, guys. Oh damn. Look at that. Oh wow, okay, alright. Oh wow, okay. I am speechless. Ooh. Guys, look at that coverage. Oh, wait, let me shake it a little bit. It's a bit runny, but coverage is pretty good. Okay. Can you see? Oh wow, it's raining. And I just did laundry. Farrah, man. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I think I just put a bit too much now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Alright, Marion. This is good, guys. Look at that. Oh my lord, I am excited. Cause it's $25. Go and get it. It is $25 at this quarantine time. We're broke. We don't have money. We don't have $60, $70 to be wasting on makeup. Go and get yourself. And it's so easy to apply, guys. It applies just so flawlessly. Look, so flawless. Look at that coverage. Oh. Okay. Alright, enough about this foundation. Let me go in with my Thin Lizzy foundation. This one cost me $50. But I love the other one more than this one. Okay. Guys, I still don't know how to contour and highlight. I seriously don't know how to do it. And I usually don't do contour and highlight anyways, to be honest. I like my makeup very simple. Unless if I'm going like out, you know, going to a special occasion, then I might put in an effort to do it. But apart from that, no. I don't do it at all, you know. But for the sake of this video, let's just contour and highlight. Yeah, because I feel like when you contour and highlight, it's not an everyday look, you know. And you see people, I don't know, I feel like it's one of those look that only look good on camera or in photos, but sometimes in real life a lot of people go overboard with it and it don't look so good in real life. That's why I don't contour and highlight. Like, let me just buff it out, just blend it all together. Okay, let's try bacon. That's one thing I haven't done. What this is? Contour. Okay, let's see. I also don't bake. Am I even doing it right? I don't know. I think I am. Ooh. I think that's how you do it. I'm going to apply my blush. I really love this blush. It's like a bronzer, like when you put it on. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, this is all drugstore makeup, okay? You don't have to be wasting your money on high-end makeup sometimes, to be honest. If you can get the same result with cheaper options, why not? Just because somebody else is doing it, you don't have to be doing it the same thing. I'm going to bring it up. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Bring it up. Look at that. Yeah. Right. Remember, this is just a simple everyday makeup look. Just simple. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm going to be using my eyeliner from Remy London. Get the London look. Not doing anything dramatic. Just a simple wing. And that's it. Ooh, that's a bit too much, but yeah. Okay, so this is what we have. This is what we're working with. Oh, this eyebrows is annoying me. Oh, I wasn't even spraying it on myself. How do I want my hair? Do I want my hair like this? I went and gelled down my edges. But you guys, yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's see if I can change my hairstyle. Let me put my hair up. Alright. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm actually very impressed. I did not expect it to turn out like this. I really did not expect my makeup to... I'm not a professional, like I said, hence why I was surprised at myself. But yeah, this is a cute, simple lunch with the girls, quick mommy errands, meet up with your girlfriends, whatever, you know, makeup that you can just rock and just... Thank you guys for watching this video. If you can, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more content like this, and make sure once again you hit that notification bell. Okay, do it, do it, do it now. I'm joking. See you later guys. Bye.